Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So the best gain deal this week is going to be over at Walgreens. Apologies in advance for those that enjoy the Dollar General video. Kind of a different switch this week because of the clearance event. I put out a video. I will link it at the very end if you wish to watch it. But that video took a lot of my week, so there will not be a gain video. Apologies in advance. However, over at Walgreens, and I know a majority of you shop at that one pharmacy, we have a really hot gain deal. So we're going to talk about this and just take it apart bite by bite. Okay, so in this promotion, it is to buy 3 items and get back a $5 register reward, which is that paper that comes out of the Catalina machine. This is not a Walgreens cash deal, just to note that. Off of this bingo chart, we're going to grab 2 of the oral care and then 1 gain product for $4.99. So just to show you, we're going to grab one of the toothbrushes, either a brush or a mouthwash for $3 on the nose. There are 2 different promotions, one for 3 and one for 4, so pay attention in the store. We have $1 digital that's coming off for this, so just to give you a visual, here it is. So please make sure you have that guy loaded. And then we're also going to grab 1 toothpaste. I know I was saying no more toothpaste, but here's the toothpaste. I guess I lie a little bit. So here it is for $3. And then we have a digital, which is this dollar coupon. And then we're going to grab a gain. I am impartial to the detergent, the 50 ouncer for $4.99. If you wish to grab something else, whatever is tagged at $4.99 and part of the promotion, read the tags at store. But this is part of it, the detergent, and 50 ounces of this detergent. Well, that is liquid gold in a bottle if you like gain. If you go over to the site, P&G Good Every Day, there is a $2 internet printable. So if your store by chance accepts internet printables, you should be able to use this in store. Just to show you on P&G Good site, 46 to 50 ounce of the Gain liquid detergent. So yes, this is in fact the right product, although the little photo on the coupon is of the Gain flings. It is also pertinent towards the detergent. And I know a lot of cashiers will look at this and be like, but it's the fine print. It's not what's pictured on the photo of the coupon. So you can have that delicious moment. Or alternative, if you might have had the October P&G, we have this $2 coupon, and what's included is the Gain detergent. Now, if you're going to use this guy, if you go to the store on the 9th, which is Saturday, it will not scan, even though it says it expires on the 9th. So I would do this before the 8th because it'll scan perfectly. But for whatever reason, P&G coupons, the day of expiration, do not scan over at Walgreens. Okay guys, here is the mathematics for this. We're grabbing 1 Crest toothpaste for $3 and 1 Oral-B brush for $3. That is a total of 6. 1 Gain detergent for $4.99. So the running total here is $10.99. Remember, we printed out that one $2 coupon from P&G Good Every Day. Just to let you guys know, from when you print it, you have exactly 24 hours to use it. It's a very short expiry date for that site. Along with, we have the $1 for the brush, $1 for the paste, the 2 digital coupons. So you're left with paying $6.99 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $1.99 for the 3 items, or 66 cents each. Hi, that is awesome. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. This is not with a spend offer, it's with a register reward, so yes. Now, if you might have had this from, say, last week, one of these or one of the Revlon ones, another register reward from another deal, and you're like, I don't know how to use it this week. Let's just throw one of these in the deal in case you can't print out the internet printable, or possibly you just don't have that October P&G coupon. Let's use one of these register rewards. Okay, so we're doing a similar matchup. 1 Crest paste, 1 brush at $3 a pop, that's 6. 1 Gain detergent at $4.99. Same subtotal at $10.99. Remember, we have our $2 digitals, the $1 for the brush, the $1 for the paste. We're also going to throw in 1 $6 register reward, pay $2.99, get back a $5 register reward. I think this is super smart. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. You'll just pay probably just the tax. If you're going to include this as part of a spend booster, like, spend 20, get back 5, you have to use your debit card, credit card bills for the balance, and do not use your Walgreens cash. But if you just wanted to do a quick flip of some coupons and Walgreens cash, hey, this will totally work for you the way I just explained it. Okay, so if you go over to the site pnggoodeveryday.com, just like on the screen, just type it out or Google PNG Good. They have a little promotion that's running from the end of September right till the end of the year, which is to spend $50 on PNG products and get back a $15 Visa gift card. And it's a whole host of products. You have to have the UPC of your products, so make sure that you keep photos or keep them in your stockpile. But hey, with this purchase, that is like, after coupons, what is the cost? Like, let me just do the quick little mathematics here. That would be $6.99 of, tracking towards this. If you did the Olay deal, you have a whole lot, like $26 tracking. You can get this gift card pretty quickly. So if you're on the site, exactly like the URL at the top, and then go to this like part at the very right-hand side where it's those little dots, it'll say rebates, coupons, rebates. That's what you hit, and then that little form will show up, and you have to type in where you bought your stuff, photograph your receipts, and have all the UPCs to type it out. And it usually takes 2 to 3 weeks before they make this little credit card for you and then send it to you in the mail. And it's just a little bit extra savings pour vous. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!